Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to take full control of your assets by transferring them from Robinhood to Ledger Live. Robinhood is great for trading, but Ledger Live offers top-notch security with hardware wallets, making it a smart move for long-term storage. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Robinhood account with some crypto holdings, a Ledger device like a Nano S or X, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone. Also, double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in. Navigate to your crypto portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Let's say Bitcoin for this example. Once selected, tap on the Send or Withdraw option. This is where things get exciting, as you're about to move your assets to a more secure spot. Next, switch over to your Ledger Live app. Connect your Ledger device via USB or Bluetooth, and open the wallet for the crypto you're transferring. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section, select the relevant account, and copy the receiving wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger device's screen to prevent any scams or errors. Now, back in Robinhood, paste that wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on the blockchain. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email, and the transfer should process within minutes to a few hours, depending on the network congestion. One last thing. Be cautious. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check details to avoid losing funds. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. Your crypto is now safely in Ledger Live. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you next time.